Hey entrepreneurs, are you tired of paying rent for a building you'll never own? What if I told you you could use little to no money down to buy the commercial space your business already operates in? That's right, today I'm revealing one of the best kept secrets in business finance, the SBA 7A loan program. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to get from tenant to owner using one of the most powerful tools in business lending. Let's get started. Who qualifies? To use the SBA 7A loan for buying real estate, your business must occupy at least 51% of the total square footage, and that includes more than just your office space. Think hallways, storage areas, basements, and even customer parking. If the building has mixed use, like commercial downstairs, residential upstairs, you'll want to double check that 51% rule with your lender. And just so we're clear, this loan is not for investment properties. It must be for owner-occupied business use only. Can you really get 100% financing? Yes, you absolutely can. One of the biggest perks of the SBA 7A loan is the possibility of 0% down. No huge upfront cash, no draining your savings. But wait, it gets even better. You can roll additional costs into the same loan, like interior build-outs and renovations, equipment purchases, and working capital to help ease the move. So if you're planning to tear down walls, install new lighting, or bring in new machinery, you can finance all of that in one SBA 7A loan. Let's talk terms. Unlike traditional commercial loans that hit you with balloon payments after 5 or 10 years, the SBA 7A loan offers up to 25-year fully amortized terms, no balloon payments, and predictable monthly principal plus interest payments. Now let's talk prepayment penalties because you might want to refinance later. It's simple, 5% in year 1, 3% in year 2, and 1% in year 3, and 0 after that. No long-term handcuffs. You stay in control. How to qualify? Here's the big question. Can your business loan afford the loan? This loan is based on cash flow, not just assets. The good news? If you're already paying rent, that monthly amount can often help justify your ability to pay the loan. Plus, if your new location helps you, like serve more customers, add staff, increase revenue, then your lender may consider projected earnings, as long as your projections are realistic and backed by data. Due diligence. Buying real estate means a little homework, and that's a good thing. You'll go through an appraisal to confirm its value, an environmental review like the Phase 1, especially for industrial or older buildings. And if something seems off, like past chemical use, you may need a Phase 2 test, which means soil sampling. These steps protect you and your lender before the deal is finalized. Planning renovations? If your loan includes a build-out, your lender will ask for a general contractor's bid and a detailed renovation budget. They'll usually add a 10% contingency buffer in case of surprise costs. So if you plan a $200,000 renovation, the bank will likely underwrite it as $220,000, just to be safe. Let's recap why the SBA 7A loan is a game changer for entrepreneurs buying commercial property. It requires little to no down payment. Build-outs, equipment, and working capital can all be included, up to 25-year terms with no balloon payments, short, simple prepayment penalties, and built-in due diligence to protect your investment. This program was designed to help small business owners grow, not bury them in complicated financing. If you're ready to stop paying rent and start building equity for your future, the SBA 7A loan might be the ticket you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching this episode. My contact info is in the description below if you want to talk through your deal or just ask a question. I drop new SBA tips every week, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until next time, class dismissed.